Things are never simple, right? I need to create a small piece of wood with a 25-degree angle so that I can set my grinder up to grind the end of my chisels at 25 degrees. Simple enough, so you'd think. But it's not, because I can't cut a 25-degree angle on my Mitre saw or on my band saw or anywhere else, because all my jigs, all my sliders and everything have 30 degrees minimum. So I need to make a jig to go on the Mitre saw so that I can cut a 25-degree angle on a piece of wood so that I can set up my grinder properly so that I can grind down my chisels to the correct angle. That's the idea. So let's go. A jig to make a jig. Let's go. So I've squared this old shelf off at 90 degrees. I'm going to adjust it to 45 degrees. I've just squared off this edge just to remove the ornate piece on the edge there. Now I need to find a piece of wood to go on this edge. And for that, I'm going to use another piece of the shelf. This piece here needs to line up and screw it in place. Now, just align the jig with the side of the blade and clamp it in place. Now this is the new angle, so set your bed to, in this case, 25 degrees and make the cut. Now that is a perfect 25-degree cut, just what I need.